Feasting on growth, unraveling India's QSR revolution. India's fast-paced lifestyle is driving a QSR boom. Top players like Domino's and Pizza Hut are setting the pace. QSRs are winning hearts with localized flavors. Cross-platform selling and digital innovations are the new norms. Digital payments like OP are reshaping the QSR experience. Domino's promises speed, while Pizza Hut offers ambience. Brand personalization is the key to stronger customer loyalty. Adapting to change, QSRs bounce back post-COVID.
While challenges loom, the strengths of the QSR industry remain robust.
The future looks bright with projections of massive growth by 2025. India's young and tech-savvy population is fueling the QSR sector. Rising internet penetration ensures a tech-forward QSR industry. With India's immense population, the QSR market potential is unmatched. While the path has challenges, endless opportunities beckon. For in-depth insights, explore our detailed articles on India's QSR industry. Thanks for joining our deep dive into India's QSR sector. For detailed insights and more, visit us at sdblognation.in. See you there.